In today's session, we will be discussing about the quality assurance and quality control systems adopted in industry. Before starting this quality assurance and quality control, let us try to understand the meaning of word assurance and control. Now, assurance means it is an act of giving confidence, the state of being certain, or the act of making certain. What does it mean? Act of giving confidence means we should be confident about our own product, the credibility of the product, the reliability of product is nothing but the state of being certain, and the act of making certain means the processes which are using for manufacturing a product that has to be defined clearly. So assurance is giving confidence to the customer that the product is of desired quality. Control means it's an evaluation to indicate needed corrective responses, the act of guiding, or the state of process in which the variability is attributable to a constant system. What does it mean? Basically, the control indicates what are the various corrective actions required, responses required in that product. It is nothing but the action of guiding or state of process at which or in which the variation is attributable to a constant system. So in short we can say the control is nothing but a corrective actions, responses uh, taken on a product so that the product is of desired quality. Now the word is quality assurance. Now as per ISO 9000:2015, which is defining the quality management system, it defines the quality assurance as it is a part of quality management focused on providing confidence that quality requirements will be fulfilled. So, if in any company or in organization there is a quality management system or ISO system, then we are saying the quality assurance department is nothing but, or the role of quality assurance department is nothing but, the department is focused on providing confidence, certainty, reliability that whatever the quality requirements are designated for a particular product, particular process that are fulfilled. We can say quality assurance is nothing but actions taken to design and manufacture a safe and effective product. Whatever the actions taken, planning done, execution, all these actions comes in a quality assurance, and all these actions are taken to design a particular product, and after designing it has to be manufactured, so that manufactured system is a safe, and at the end the product is effective which satisfy all the customers requirement. So in short, quality assurance is action taken to design and manufacture a safe product. Quality control. As per ISO 9000:2015, quality control is a part of quality management system which is focused on fulfilling the quality requirements. So quality control is nothing but a part of the management or part of a system which fulfills the requirements, standards, specification of the product. We can say the test procedures used, whatever the tests were conducted on a product, the test procedure used to verify that a product is safe and effective after manufacturing is done. So quality control comes after manufacturing, quality assurance comes during and before manufacturing. So in short, the quality assurance is during the manufacturing of product, And quality control part comes after the product has been manufactured. And whatever the test procedures are carried out on that product to verify whether the product is safe, effective, whether it is meeting the specifications or requirement, all these things comes in a quality control. Now let us try to find out the difference between quality assurance term and quality control team. Now both these quality assurance and quality control departments are always there in any organization, in any industry. So what are their roles and what they are exactly doing and how to differentiate them? Because when we are reading or when we are listening these terminologies, we'll find that both are hearing the same sound. We are hearing the same kind of thing, but it is not the same kind of thing. So let us try to distinguish between quality assurance and quality control. So quality assurance is a proactive term. Basically, it is a proactive action. And quality control is a reactive portion of a system. So quality assurance means to prevent the defects. Whatever the product we are manufacturing, in that product we have to prevent the defects before they occur through process design. So prevention of defects before the processing that particular product or during the processing of product is nothing but quality assurance. Quality control means to identify the defects after they have happened. So quality assurance is before before the defects which are occurred, or we can say that to prevent the defects, and quality control system is nothing but to identify defects after they have occurred. So a particular product is found to be defective after testing it, that particular activity is nothing but quality control. So what are the reasons because of which that product is defective? Identification of such kind of various defects in the product after they have happened. Quality assurance, it's a management practice. It's a management practice used to ensure that quality standards are met or exceeded. What are the quality standards which have been prescribed for a particular product, whether they are meeting or not, or whether we are exceeding with that standard? That is nothing but quality assurance. To ensuring the desired quality standards for a particular product is nothing but a quality assurance. Quality control is a method, you can say it is a reactive method by which quality is measured and consistently monitored. Quality assurance is a design of various processes, involves the designing of processes, documenting the standard operating procedures, which are also called as SOPs. So quality assurance department role is to design the various processes through which that product is going to be developed. Because whenever you have to convert a raw material into a product, it has to undergo various processes. So to design that processes and documentation of standard operating procedure is quality assurance. Quality control is testing of products. So whatever the test we are carrying out on that particular product is nothing but the quality control. And why the testings are carried out? The testing of product to ensure they meet standard for safety. So various tests to be conducted on a product to ensure whether they are meeting the standards for safety or not. That is nothing but a quality control. Quality assurance is a process-oriented approach. Basically, it is a process-oriented approach which mostly focuses on preventing the quality issues during the manufacturing process. Quality control comes after the manufacturing of a product. So it's a product oriented. Quality assurance is process oriented. So we are more taking care, or we are more thinking about the various processes which are required to convert raw product into raw material into a product. So we are concentrating on the processes, various processes. In case of quality control, the product is manufactured and it is a product oriented and it mainly focuses on identifying the quality issues in manufactured product. So try to understand these two issues. The quality control comes after the manufacturing. Quality assurance involves the actions, we can say the plans, executions, processes which create the product. So whatever the actions we are taking to create a product is nothing but quality assurance. And quality control is mainly focused on resulting of the product. Quality assurance is, or it involves various methods and procedures which are used to safeguard the quality standards. So when we are manufacturing a product, initially we are defining the quality standards, the specifications of the products, and what are the methods and procedures we are using to meet these quality standards are nothing but the quality assurance. Quality control basically focused on parts, small parts which we are using to create a final product, such as raw materials from the supplier. So quality control basically focuses on the raw materials which are supplied from the supplier, because by using that raw material, we are going to manufacture a product. If there is a defect in the raw material itself, the product will be not of desired standard. So quality control mainly focuses on the raw materials which are supplied from the supplier. The quality assurance involves defining the standards for product, the design standards, manufacturer standards, packaging the standards, distribution system standards, marketing and sales standards. So in quality assurance, or we can say the quality assurance department involves in defining the standards for a product. What are the various standards for the designing process we are using for that product? What are the various standards for manufacturing in that product? To define the standards for packaging the particular product, distribution of the product, marketing and the sales. Quality control involves the verification of product post manufacture and before distribution, and or we can say the confirming the safety. So quality control is nothing but the verification of products, that is post manufacturing but before distribution. We can try to see various examples of quality assurance. The quality assurance is nothing but a documentation, while the quality control is inspection part. You can say the quality assurance is the documentation, defining the standards, methods, procedures is nothing but a quality assurance. And quality control is nothing but the testing, inspection kind of activities. So in quality assurance, in documentation parts, it comes the audits, regular audits, quality audits, supplier management system, development of the supplier management system, training to the personnel, training to the laborers, management, and at the last, investigation procedures. So documentation means audit documentation, supplier management system documentations, training to the various employees or various so that they should get empowered, and defining, documenting the investigation procedures. The quality control comes in quality control. It is basically inspection, testing. So what kind of testing and inspection? So product sampling, validation testing and laboratory testing. So product sampling, conducting the test on that product in a laboratory, validation of the testing comes in the quality control.